Are you excited? Are you fired up? Here are 5 signs your wish is almost here. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are breathing deep and soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals, reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here 5, count them, 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, personal success. And so here we are, high flyers, talking about your wish fulfilled, your wish coming into your life and you living the dream. Are you ready? Here are 5 signs. Now, if 2 of these 5 signs are manifesting in your life right now, oh yeah, it's coming. Your wish is about to be fulfilled. Number 1, you are having dreams. I mean, you're like dreaming like a crazy man. You're dreaming all the time, and you're dreaming about that new car, about that incredible relationship, about your new business, about your new body. You're dreaming about all the things that you wish, and they're almost nightly, almost every night. Isn't it fun? You go to bed at night and you go, oh, this is so creative because in my sleep, I am dreaming about my wish being fulfilled. That's a big indication that your wish is just about ready to be fulfilled. It's almost here. Number 2 is you're seeing numbers everywhere. You're seeing 555. That means that we're tearing down the old, we're building up the new. You're seeing 333, the 2 objects in your life, 2 opposing directions in your life are coming together and being unified into a third powerful force. You're seeing 777. Money is flowing into your life. You're seeing 1111, a new beginning, a spiritual awakening. You're seeing numbers. Now we have videos on almost every sequence of numbers, and I would urge you to look them up. I think we still have 1 or 2 left to do, but I think you'll find a special video that we've done on almost every sequence of numbers. If you're seeing these sequences of numbers, it's the universe speaking its favorite language, mathematics, numbers, and it's speaking to you that something is about to give way. Something is about to change in your life. You are about to receive a miracle. Your wish is about to be fulfilled. Well, number 3, you're running into some resistance. Oh, for joy, and people, they get nervous when they run into resistance. They go, wow, things are going wrong. I seem to be running into resistance everywhere. And my grandmother, she used to say things come in 3s. So if you got a flat tire, chances are the car would need a tune-up and the exhaust would go out as well. So she used to believe that. I don't know if I believe that or not, but it does seem that a lot of things seem to pile on when you run into things going wrong and resistance. It's okay. Clap your hands. Get excited. Get motivated because the universe has just sent you a sign that you are pushing through that last bit of membrane, pushing through to the other side, and your wish is about to be fulfilled. Well, next is intuition. Intuition. Your third eye is opening. You may be a little bit nervous that you seem to know what people are going to do before they do it. You seem to know what they're going to say before they say it. You seem to have an intuitive feeling about your journey, about the direction of your life. And while you're excited about this newfound power, it's also kind of scary if you haven't had much of it in your life in the past. But your intuition tends to increase, tends to get more precise and more intense the closer you get to your wish fulfilled. Oh, it's a good sign. It's a wonderful sign. So if your intuition is increasing, this is one of the reasons, high flyers, I say you don't really need to go to psychics and card readers and all of that. You really don't, because you've been given an incredible power within yourself. And it's opening up now. It's opening up, and your wish is almost here. As a matter of fact, it's already here. You just have to break through that last little bit of membrane, and boom, your life is going to change forever. It's going to change in ways you can't even imagine. And 5, you have an increase of energy. You wake up earlier. You set the alarm for 6:30, 7 o'clock, and you find yourself waking up at 4:30. And you've got ideas going into your mind. You wake up and you go, I can't go back to sleep. I can't stop thinking. All these ideas, all these thoughts, all this energy is flowing through my body. I was looking at an interview of a gentleman who's 88 years old. And he has been working since he was, 12. And he sleeps 2 hours a night. And he still works 16 hours a day. But he loves it. He doesn't call it work. He loves his work. He loves his passion. And so that's what happens. Your body is renewed. Your mind is renewed. Your heart is renewed. Your spirit is renewed as you get closer to the wish fulfilled. As this new energy begins to, I call it God force energy, or prana, or ruach. As it begins to pour through your body, you just have more energy to do more things, to serve more people, to experience more life. It's a wonderful, it's an exciting, it's exhilarating, more energy. You're going to stay up later. You're going to get up earlier because you are on fire with inner passion. Now, if you have 2 of these 5 signs, that's great. If you have all 5, that's incredible. Absolutely incredible. You are about to receive your wish. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.